Check out this fully loaded 2004 Chevy Avalanche 1500 LT. This Avalanche is fully loaded with Chevy's Z71 package, including 4x4 tow package, black leather interior with heated seats. Very spacious. Enough room for the whole family with a DVD entertainment center in the back with private headphone ready equipped. This truck is in perfect condition. Not a scratch on it. It's coated in an amazing forest screen clear coat to complement the midnight black interior. This truck is Carfax and AUTOCHECK certified. Don't miss out on this one, folks. Quality Dealer of the Year 2010 District 1 Guarantee Credit Approval for Civilian and Military. Serving Hampton Roads, North Carolina, Maryland, and Northern Virginia for over 25 years. No credit, bad credit, no problem. We specialize in making deals.